Hey guys, so I received the gift that I told you last time. I received the golf bag from Askechogolf bags. These guys sell a lot of bags online and they have many of them. So depending on what you're looking for, go to their website, askecho.com, and find any bag. Use my discount code. Also get something on top of what you're looking for. So I'm going to unbox the gift, which is the golf bag that they sent me, and we are going to look at the features. Keep it on this video. Let's do it. Actually, the one thing I like about this bag so far, by inserting these wedges in and the silvers, the irons, this bag has the locking feature, which is so cool. You can see like this is so steady. I like it. It's really cool. For those guys, the sound we talked about, you can see I'm shaking this one and it's not making any kind of sound. This is my next one. No sound here. Give them a sample. Man, look at this. It's not making any sound at all. No sound. And another thing, see, they cannot fall out. So I will recommend this bag. And guys, another feature that I like the most about this bag is the handles. Look at these handles that you can use to hold it. Yeah, it's so cool. Compare with this one, which doesn't have any handles here at all. And this one, you have your handles on the side, both sides. And there's one from the front, as you can see. Now let's talk about the pockets. We have the big pocket here, which maybe you can keep like your jacket or like changing clothes. And then we have the dry pocket, maybe keeping your phone. We also have this one, which is outside here, where you can keep your snacks or anything, So the same way from the other side, we have the same pocket this side. And see, with the same features. Oh wow! We have this one is to keep your. I think this one is to keep your. Like your irons cool and tight. So from here you can come and this one's inside. Oh wow! I'm sold, guys. This is super perfect. Yeah, nice. So there's this part here where you're supposed to keep your golf balls. You can see. Oh, we have a American flag, which you can mount on like on inside of the bag. And the one feature about this bag, it's magnetic. Instead of opening the zip from time to time, this one is magnetic. You just put your paws inside and like take them out, and this one locks out. Actually, the American flag goes here, guys. It mounts here. So let's put it here. Perfect. Cool. I'm sold. If you are a golfer, you should get this bag for sure. It's very convenient. It has all the features that you would ask for. See the pockets. Another pocket here. Again, this is nice for like keeping again any electronics, like let's say your watch or like your phone. We have two more here on this side. Perfect for like snacks. Last one outside here also for I like this one because it's insulated. You can keep your cold drinks, and there's one inside. Perfect. So if you want to keep your drinks cool, this one is insulated. Keep your drinks there. And sides here, more pockets for like more space for maybe more extra golf balls. So we have this one for putting your golf gloves. So you can see it's super convenient, super cool. We have another bag here which is more like waterproof cover. So that like your they cannot get laid off, especially if you're playing golf and it's kind of drizzling outside. You can use your cover to protect your gears. Um, your golfing equipments from getting laid on. But again, I can recommend it 100%. You can see, especially this feature where like you can park on these ones on the sides as you keep your glove stuff inside the wrapped and tidy, and you can carry it like any way that you want. So for golfers, without struggling, carrying your stuff without any kind of noise. See, upside down, super perfect. I'm sold. Please, go check Ask Echo Golf Pals online. I'm going to share my discount code, which you can use so that you can get a 10% discount on the golf packs. Thank you for watching this video. Let me know what you think. If you have any question, please ask me. The locking feature of this, like the wedges, it's super cool. And the irons, I like it. This one was making a lot of noise. I'm going to trash this one right now. Thanks, Eric. I really appreciate. We are done with this guy. See you on the next one. Guys, let's go golfing. Thank you, Ask Echo Golf Bags, for sending this package to me. Guys, let's go to the field.